Next would be the department chairs of the Faculty of Engineering. Let me now present to you the Assistant Dean of the Faculty of Engineering. The President of the UST Engineering Alumni Association Incorporated.
Hindi ko nakikita sa Angel. Kalabitin mo.
The Father Regent of the Faculty of Engineering. Let me present to you the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering.
Woo! Ayun, nakatawa na.
Sir, si Alban lang yung nakikita mo.
Oo nga, sir. Alban nga. Tapos pula pa yung...
And our presiding official for today, Reverend Father Ramito G. Desago, Member, Board of Trustees, University of Santo Tomas.
Kasya ka pa.
Wait namin yun ang first year. Si Alban.
Grabe.
Nakatawa. Eh, sir, gabi.
Si sir naman, di nagayos.
Oo. Isa
Go sa niya. Hindi na nila nakita doon.